This is one of my Google Drive folders here, and I want you to look at the way I've named these documents. We can't really tell what's in them. This one here has been named July the 25th. This one's been named form. We can tell it's a form by the icon. This one's been called doc1. We can tell it's a slide, but we've got no idea what's in them. And it makes it very difficult for you to actually find information that you've created in the past if you don't name them properly. So we can resolve that situation first of all by giving them proper names, and then we will move them to an appropriate folder. So if you've got a whole list of poorly named documents like this, it's worth the time to rename them. Obviously you need to open them up, but I know what's in this one, so I'm just going to rename it. So I've right clicked on here, rename, and I'm going to call this so now I've got it in here, but even so, that still may well be something you're doing over a period of time. So often you can do things like this. Let's rename it again, and let's actually give us an idea. If you're doing this throughout the entire year, for example, let's say this might be the term 2, and I like to use underscore lunch. Click OK. And that means then if you're going to do one in term 3 and term 4, etc., you can see where they all are. So it's good naming conventions. So again, just to reiterate, this one here, July the 25th. Okay, we've got a date on that, but we don't actually know what's inside there. So if we rename this, and let's just do this, July 25th. That gives us an idea that it was a literacy task that you did, and you did it on the July the 25th, but what's inside it? So if that's got more information, but it doesn't actually tell us anything. So let's just rename it again. And that's got more information. So name your documents appropriately so you can see what is going to be inside the document without even opening it.